I planned on retiring out of the Army, and that was a big thing my whole life. My dad was in, Grandpa was in. I wanted to do the crazy stuff for 20 years, and then you get hit your first deployment. I mean, that's like everything you love just being stripped away out of nowhere.
Freedom doesn't come free. Many of our veterans sacrifice a lot to keep our country free. Tunnel to Towers wants to give back because they gave all for us. Tunnel to Towers will provide a mortgage-free smart home for our recipients.
It's just incredible to see these families. They want an independent and deserve an independent lifestyle. They've sacrificed for us, and it's just what we can give back.
It's really difficult for him to do things that we think are so basic, like taking a shower every day, not being able to put dishes away because it's in a tall cabinet. Things that we do without even thinking about it, it puts him in pain. It'll be nice to not see him have to struggle so bad just to do simple tasks.
All these things are saving me time, and that is the most precious thing in life. Every human wants is time. And so giving me a few hours a day, that means the world, because that's time I can spend with my family, time I can spend with my friends, time I can do other things besides just dealing with the disabilities.
Revwood is an amazing choice for these smart homes. One, for the scratch, for the durability, and maybe even more proud than that is it's an American-made product supporting American heroes.
This is a literal life changer. So you only have a few things in life that'll change all the trajectory, and this is one of those.
This is where life begins. Everything moving forward is going to happen here. All of our memories.